You know, you probably know the importance of your credit rating. I know I do. But one of the leading credit reporting agencies has been accused of inaccurate reporting. And recently, a U.S. District Court approved a nationwide settlement for consumers.
So consumer law attorney Michelle Drake is joining us live to talk a little bit about how that company will provide some free credit monitoring and programs for consumers who may have experienced an inaccurate report. Good morning to you.
Hi, good morning.
Well, let's talk first about what a credit score is, what's it based on, and why overall it's so important.
Sure. So a credit score is a number that's assigned by a consumer reporting agency, and it's intended to represent how good of a credit risk someone is. A credit score is based on a variety of information that's collected from creditors. So credit card companies, banks with whom you might have a mortgage. It can also include public records information. So do you have a tax lien on your property? Does someone have a judgment against you in court, and have you paid them? And credit scores are important when we need them the most, which is when something happens that's significant in our life and we need a loan. It may be that you're buying a new home or a new car. It can even come into play if you're just applying to rent an apartment, or even if you're looking for a new job. So it's critical that if there's inaccurate information on your credit report, you fix it, because it can affect your credit score, and you don't always know when you're going to need credit. So you want to stay on top of it.
You know, tell us about the recent Experian case and the settlement that was reached.
Sure. So our lawsuit against Experian involved the allegation that Experian was reporting inaccurate information about public records, specifically civil judgments and tax liens. There are basically two things that the lawsuit alleged Experian was doing. First, they were reporting the wrong person's information. So there might be someone, say, whose name was Melissa Drake, who had a tax lien she hadn't paid. Her information might show up on my credit report and affect my credit score. Secondly, they were misreporting the status of people's public records. So even if, say, Melissa Drake did have a tax lien and it was showing up on her credit report, she may have paid it, but Experian would still be reporting it as unpaid. And so that can also have a really detrimental effect on people's credit. We were able to resolve our lawsuit with Experian and to get some really great relief for consumers. So if Experian reported any public record information, a bankruptcy, a tax lien, or a civil judgment, even if it was accurate, if you requested a copy of your report from Experian, you are eligible for free credit monitoring for 2 years. Second, if Experian misreported public record information on your tax report or on your credit report, so somebody else's information, or reported you as unpaid when in fact you had paid, you're eligible to participate in a program where you can request a monetary payment from Experian. And the settlement is really aimed at making things easy for consumers and making it easy to file a claim and get a monetary payment. So it actually provides for free legal assistance from my law firm and other participating law firms in helping you make a claim. And that includes assistance with gathering documents that you might need in order to make a claim.
A lot of really good information this morning, but if consumers want a chance to read through more information and get some links to help, ExperianPublicRecordSettlement.com, the best place to start. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.